Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. I am your host for today's live stream. My name is Connor and welcome to the channel. Welcome back everybody. Let's get right into it. Appreciate you all being here. Be sure to smash up that like button on your way into the live stream today. Big shout out to Reverend Flashback all the way from Germany. We do have a global audience here at Crypto Empire. So shout out to each and every one of you from all around the world. Reverend Flashback saying good evening. How are you doing, Connor? I'm doing very good. Thank you for asking, Reverend Flashback. I hope you're doing great as well. We also got Jasper in the building. What's going on, Jasper? And All Day Dre. We're going to start things off as we usually do here with our Crypto Empire Sunday live streams with our crypto market overview. Taking a look at the crypto market at the current moment in time, Bitcoin is trading for just underneath $35,000. We have Ethereum at $1,878. I'm feeling comfy, feeling super comfy in my ETH long right now. Managed to open that position last week at around 1788 to 1800. So we are coasting, and I am expecting Ethereum, if the market does stay bullish here, to begin to outperform and get all the way up to $2,000, and that would be very nice for my current active trade. Anyways, BNB at 241. CZ and the cartel did not let the price go underneath $200, and the bears are in disbelief over that. XRP 64.5 cents. I'm actually also long XRP. Show you the Crypto Empire Discord right here. And yeah, XRP paying us pretty well right now. This is actually my second long on XRP within the past week or so. First time was at 54.5 cents, got back in at 62. And yeah, XRP is pumping at the moment. So if you guys want to trade with me, definitely consider getting inside of the Crypto Empire Discord group. Really lively community in there. I don't think you will regret it. I think you will actually enjoy it. Anyways, everything is green right now for the most part on the week. Market is relatively sideways. Taking a look at the top gainers and losers on the day right now. A lot of gainers in the low cap section, as we can see, but EGLD Multiverse X with a 40% pump. You love to see it. We are so back, ladies and gentlemen. We are seeing coins rise from the dead. We are seeing 40% pumps, 30% pumps. We're so back. Cheers. Anyways, taking a look at the losers right now, we got AQTIS. This is a popular AI play. A bunch of guys on bunch of low cap gem hunters are interested in this one right now. It's an AI liquidity aggregator, and yeah, it's pulling back right now 21%. I know this one is high interest at the moment in terms of a low cap AI coin. We'll take a look at that one later on in the stream. Nonetheless, looking at the losers, token 5, this is a new kind of meme coin created by the Floki team, something to do with real world assets, and it got listed on Binance already, down 16% right now. Another one that we can, it's on Bybit, not Binance. Nonetheless, this is something that we should look into as well. This one has been getting a lot of hype recently, so it could be a shorter term play in terms of the on-chain markets. Overall, some losers today, but that's after huge pumps. So overall, the market is bullish. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. But before I do that, I'm going to tend to the live chat and see how everybody is doing. If you guys are enjoying the live stream so far, be sure to smash up that like button. I really appreciate all of your support. It helps get the stream out to more people here on YouTube, helps grow my channel, and it helps push the crypto community to overall new adoption. So smash up that like button. And if you are new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Taking a look at this live chat, big shout out to our guy Jazzy. Jazzy saying, how you doing, legend? Good to see you. I'm doing great, Jazzy. Appreciate you being here. We got Ladradoodle saying hello from Honduras Empire. Is that a mission trip you're on? Respect. Enjoy South America. And yeah, good to see you, Ladradoodle. We got Rashid Amir saying hi from Amsterdam. What's going on, Rashid? Good to see you. We got Donatas from Lithuania. Like I said, we're a global audience here at Crypto Empire. We got people all around the world attending the live stream right now. Be sure to smash up that like button. I appreciate all of your support. We got our guy with an Arabic name. I can't read that. He says, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good, thank you. We got Blue Camille saying, how's life? Life is good, man. I'm still out here in Southeast Asia. My primary means of transportation is a motorbike. I get sunshine every single day. I'm eating good. I'm training hard. And my portfolio is just going up and up and up. So life is pretty good right now, my man. I appreciate you asking. We got Ashok saying Polkadot analysis. We'll take a look at Polkadot. It could be ready to pump. Arbitrum, yeah, big update. Live chat is lively today. Shout out to Sniff. Raphael, how you doing, Raphael? Good to see you here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin before we do get too carried away with our live chat. So Bitcoin right now, nothing is worth panicking over. All right, this is still in good shape. Everything is still intact on the bull side. I know a lot of people are kind of bearish right now and trying to short this, call this a top, but I'm still in the bull camp. All right, until my analysis is invalidated, I'm going to remain a bull. And what would it take for me to kind of flip my bias and kind of become bearish here in the short term? Well, no matter what, I'm bullish, right? The weekly is just kind of screaming that it wants to go higher after last week's close. As you can see, last week's close is this candle here. When we broke above the 2023 resistance level at $32,000, we didn't just break above it, we broke above it convincingly. Let me just clean this chart up so you guys can see it a little bit better. Right, we didn't just break above this resistance. We broke above it convincingly with some power and some gusto, like a raging bull would. And we are in my opinion, you know, the early part of the bull market right now. Nonetheless, Bitcoin, we want to see it hold this level at $34,840. As you can see from my yellow line on the chart, it said must break this line for higher. We're going to change the text to say must hold this line. You must hold this line for higher. All right, super important level to hold at $34,840. And yeah, we want to see this continue to hold for our altcoins to pump. I'm trading altcoins right now. Of course, I'm watching Bitcoin because that will dictate the market. But let's say we do roll over. Let's say we do break this support and we come back down and we test this trend line. Ideally, we want to keep this trend intact. All right, this is a 4-hour trend line here. So as you can see, it started back here, down at $33,250. We have one touch here at 33.4K. So worst case I see is we come down, or best case if we break the level here is we come down and we test the trend line. And if you just look to the left, there's so much horizontal kind of support at this level. So we want to see this trend line hold if it does get tested. If we break, maybe we sweep these lows, come back into these levels. Overall, I want to see this whole kind of cluster of price action hold. I don't want to see it break down here, because if it does break down, let's talk about what would happen. Let's get rid of all this. If we do break this consolidation to the downside, which we don't want because we're bullish at the current moment in time, but if it does break, our 4-hour 200 EMA is all the way down here at $31,467. And that's also the previous top in 2023 back from July. All right, so no matter what, as long as we're above this previous top, we're in good shape. But this would cause a lot of turmoil in the altcoin market. It's important to understand what would happen if Bitcoin actually did come down and test these levels at around 32K and lower. It would cause a lot of turmoil for altcoins. Altcoins would crash 20 to 30% most likely. And it would be bloody. It would be a golden opportunity to buy a dip. Okay, so if you have some stables on the side, which is not a bad idea, then, you know, if we do get this move back down to 32, 31K, that would most likely be one of the last, kind of hard to say, but it probably would be one of the last good opportunities to get altcoins for low. Because the market is picking up. AI is the talk of the town right now. And AI, I'm expecting to absolutely crush the end of 2023 here. So this is Bitcoin to the upside, right? Ideally, we just kind of break this consolidation higher. On the bull case, we just kind of pump out of this and leave all the sideliners in disbelief. Targets remain the same, 37K, 40K, and then my prediction that I've had since January of this year, going on 10 months now, has been $45,000. All right, if you don't believe me, go to my channel and watch this short. That shout out to Harry. Harry, if you're watching this right now, I appreciate you. Harry made this short for me. this one. Expect Bitcoin to reach this price in 2023. Right, back in January, we were calling for 45K this year, and that has not changed. We stand by the conviction through the fire and the flames. Let's take a look at our live chat here. So let me see. Polkadot, we'll look at Polkadot. Arbitrum have a big update. They will open staking with crazy rewards. I think the price will go up. What do you think, sir? Yeah, Arbitrum. I mean, I did take time to make this video 6 days ago, saying that Arbitrum has insane growth potential. So I agree with you. Arbitrum is a coin that I am certainly tracking right now. I'm watching it very, very closely. And my bids did actually just get hit. My initial one set up here at around 108. Looking to kind of get into this between 108 and 104. And I'm expecting a rip to around $1.54, which is a 54% gain from $1, right? So I'm very bullish on Arbitrum. Again, I made a video 6 days ago explaining why I'm so bullish on it. I've also been talking about it like every single week here on the live streams on why I'm bullish. But Arbitrum, really, really convincing breakout above $1 here. Here we go. This chart's better. So we put in this really bullish double bottom on Arbitrum. First bottom was in September. Second bottom over here, October 20th. It's so funny. So if you're like me and you've stared at these charts for hours, really days and weeks cumulative, I stared at crypto charts for that long. Anyways, I've noticed even in previous cycles, right? These days are defining. October 20th is a very defining day in the crypto market. Friday, October 20th, every single altcoin essentially bottomed, and they're all up like 50%, 100%, some higher, some lower. But October 20th, that Friday, that was the bottom, I think. We're going to look back on this day or on that day in 1 year, 2 years, and you guys are going to remember Connor from Crypto Empire was saying Friday, October 20th, that was the day everything bottomed. Yeah, it was. Arbitrum is no different. Put in the second double bottom here, 75 cents. It's up 40% from that price. It got back above that $1 psychological resistance level, and I'm simply looking forward to continue back up to fill the circle, fulfill the prophecy. All right, this circle has been on my chart for months now. Anybody who watches my live streams on a regular basis knows this circle I have on my Arbitrum chart has not been moved. We're waiting for the circle to get filled from $1.50 to $2. Arbitrum, I'm bullish on it. And I mean, I'll share this with you guys right now. I put this in my Discord a few hours ago. Entry 104 to 105 or 108.5. Stop at around 99 cents. Target's 122. Target number 2 is 154. Again, if you guys just want to get all of my trades, join the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. We've been crushing it, guys. Since Friday, October 20th, we have been nailing, absolutely nailing so many trades. You take a look at the success tab over here. The XRP long absolutely paid for everybody on top of many others. Dalton doing his thing. We caught near, right? If you take a look at near, I mean, come on, guys, right? We got in around 115. It's trading for $1.66 right now. Anyways, let's continue on with our live stream. So we'll take a look at Polkadot for a shock, and then I'm going to get to my regular scheduled content. So DOT right now is starting to get interesting. Looking at Polkadot, looking at where we're at, first thing you should immediately notice is the daily 200 EMA, exponential moving average. This is our pink line here. Notice how Polkadot's price is now using this line as resistance after a very strong move off the bottom from Friday, October 20th, straight to the daily 200 EMA here. All right, so when this breaks, it's officially in an uptrend. So we can front run the uptrend right now by looking for an entry around current price below $5. Let's go ahead and search for an entry here in the lower time frames. Kind of an ugly sweep here. Maybe it does give us a better entry lower. Right, as you can see, no candles were able to close above this highest wick over here at 479. That's actually at 480. So if this is going to remain bullish, Check our 1 hour. Yeah, this is going to remain bullish. It's not going to lose the 1 hour 200. And that lines up perfectly with my horizontal level here, the bottom of my green box at around 455. So what I would be doing is, if I wanted to get long on Polkadot, I would be looking to get an entry around 155. But the thing is, there's no guarantee it comes this low. So you have to be a little bit more aggressive. When market conditions are this bullish, if they stay bullish and Bitcoin doesn't break down, you have to be a little bit more aggressive with your entries or you're not going to get filled. All right, so this was a nice little liquidation stop hunt here. Took out these lows at 475. You know, realistically, you got to be looking for entries from current price down to 455 with a stop at around 443. And in terms of where this is going to go, it's got a lot of room to go higher. Go to our daily price chart. First targets would be at 546 and then $6 for a trade. Right, I think it can go higher, but Polkadot has actually become a complete joke. I'm going to show you guys this very quickly. By the way, Rio, talking about the best altcoins for 2024, 2025. You know, I made my Rio video a 3 weeks ago. It was a popular video. You guys seem to like that one, but the price was like 12 cents. You know, it's at 32 cents right now the last time I checked, right? It's almost at a 3x. Rio, real world assets. I like the coin. I own the coin. I think it's going to do well. Anyway, let's take a look at this Polkadot. Polkadot's become a complete joke. So this tweet from Market Mobster. Essentially, what's happening right now? I'll read his tweet. So he says, the more DOT creators I'm seeing doing proposals to get DOT to support them, the more bearish I am on it. What does he mean by this? Right now, Polkadot, they have governance proposals, and you have these guys making YouTube videos. I mean, if you just look at their face, like I could not be able to watch them like in a video form. Anyways, they have some kind of people watching them, I guess. But what these guys are doing is they're going to the Polkadot governance and they're putting proposals asking for Polkadot DOT tokens to make their videos that get like a few hundred views. And some guy got paid out like a huge amount of DOT doing this, and now like a bunch of these, you know, scrub YouTubers are all going to the Polkadot governance proposals and asking for DOT tokens to make marketing videos. It's the biggest joke I've ever seen. And the thing is, people are voting yes on the proposals, and these people are getting DOT tokens to make videos. It's the dumbest thing. It doesn't make any sense to me. So anyways, yeah, I mean, I agree with the mobster here saying, can we put a stop to this? We got grifters who have been inactive for 2 years applying. It's a joke. It is a complete joke. So yeah, Polkadot overall, I'm not a huge fan of it nowadays. But in terms of trading the coin, the chart looks pretty good. But it's become a complete joke. Absolutely despicable. Now, let's talk about AI for a second, and then I'll get back to the live chat questions. So this is a true story. This was yesterday. So I met this guy. He's got a big AI and SEO YouTube channel. He's got like 50K subscribers, and he's growing right now. His channel is like really popular right now. He's blowing up like right now. He's an AI whiz. He knows how to use ChatGPT to another level. He knows how to do everything, make his websites rank highest everywhere. Like he's an AI and SEO wizard. He doesn't know a single thing about AI cryptocurrencies, like paying zero attention to it. Another guy out here that I met in Southeast Asia, hardcore programmer, hardcore developer. He's super into AI, but he's really not paying attention to crypto. So I said here, these are the types that are going to be FOMOing into our AI bags next year and in 2025. The majority of the world is asleep. The majority of the world is not paying attention. We are literally so early, guys. You have to understand the opportunity we have here, and that we're how you know, grateful we should be that for some strange reason, you know, we've decided to pay attention to the crypto market when the vast majority of people are just not paying attention to it whatsoever. And then beyond that, you know, God bless, I have financial means to invest in the market. A lot of you guys, you know, have the means to put in some capital, you know, and create some wealth for ourselves here. AI is the sector. So is gaming. Gaming and AI, the two biggest sectors I would say to invest in. But yeah, we're so early, and we have a lot to look forward to here. And on top of that, Elon Musk just launched the Grok for XAI. He is integrating artificial intelligence, a chatbot model, right into Twitter. And Twitter premium subscribers are going to be able to use this. And what happened when ChatGPT released when OpenAI released ChatGPT in December 2022? AI went crazy in crypto. Elon just released Grok. Like, do you guys have any foresight at all? Can you guys just peek a little bit into the future and see what's about to happen? Just a little bit. Just peek into the future a little bit. It's about to go crazy. I'm bullish on AI. And by the way, BitTensor Tau did actually just hit $100 as well. So I'm up like 90% plus on this one. Oh, we're at 104. It's going. It's going. I mean, what do we have to say, right? I've been making videos about Tau the whole time it was down here, guys. Literally the whole time it was in this basing range from like 60 to 50. I started paying a lot of attention. I started buying. I bought all mine around here. Okay, so I feel good. I feel good about my AI coin, which is Tau. And then Kaspa, I just made a video about Kaspa, released it on the channel. Starting to pump now into new all-time highs. So, you know, my two biggest holdings in my personal portfolio are BitTensor Tau and Kaspa. And they just keep going up. So you love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. And we're going to be riding these positions into the bull run. Most people are going to be selling too early. Most people are going to sell after it 5x's, 10x's. I like to say after a 10x, like these are high conviction plays. I think they have the potential to you know, 20x, 50x, possibly even 100x from my entries. So at a 10x, you can start scaling out a little bit, but the biggest mistake people make is getting rid of their winners. Trading and investing alike. You got to hold on to your winners. Your winners are what cover most of your gains, right? That one huge win, those two huge wins. All it takes is one to change your life. I had Matic in 2021. That was a huge kind of life-changing trade for me, investment for me. Buying Matic at 1 penny, it goes up to like 280, right? That was huge. That changed a lot. And I think this bull run, I'm positioned to capture more of those. So yeah, most of these clowns on YouTube have never caught a 100x before. And, you know, they're making videos and stuff like that. Be careful who you listen to. I try and provide my unbiased analysis. I know a lot of you guys appreciate that, so thank you. But yeah, my two biggest holdings right now, absolutely crushing it. So we want to see these continue to perform. And we'll talk about ETH while we're at it here. So ETH entry 1788 for me. I bought some more at around 1800 when it dipped last week. Anyways, it's trying to break out now. So if ETH goes up to 2K, my leverage long is going to give me some more money, some more credits in the system to play some more games on the casino. We'll see how ETH goes, but yeah, another trade that's in profit right now. Again, if you guys want to get all of my trades, join the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. I just made a Whoop site. I integrated Whoop. So yeah, check it out. Let's catch up with our live chat here. Shout out to Sniff. Raphael says, regarding crypto games, what do you think of UFO and D-Race for low cap for the next bull run? Thanks. UFO and D-Race, I think the new coins are going to do better than the old coins. I know both of those are old. D-Race was very popular last run. Yeah, I don't love those coins, Raphael, but they could do well. Isn't it too late to buy CAS? Not necessarily too late to buy Kaspa. Watch my video that I just posted. What do I think about Atom and Cosmos? What do you think about the price to bag more? We'll take a look at that. Morpheus Network. I can cover Morpheus Network. Rashid says AI is the narrative, but the projects are meh. Yeah, I mean, the tech is very early right now, but this is crypto. People are so irrational. You got crypto hedge funds that they're going to be buying stuff like Tau. Another one, super low cap. I actually just I'll share this with you guys on stream because we're talking about the best coins to buy for, obviously not financial advice, that goes without saying. Anyways, we're talking about the best coins to buy for 2024, 2025. I recently got some, drum roll please, Cubic. I got a bag of Cubic. Basically the creator of IOTA, some hardcore programmer, developer, created IOTA. He's been working on Cubic since 2013. This is 10 years in the making. Mainnet just went live, fair launch, no VCs, no venture capitalists, no pre-sale. Miners just had to start mining. It's proof of work, AI, Cubic. Lot to digest with this project, but anyways, I just bought a bag of this. I'll share this with you guys on stream. Shared it in my Discord the other day. Shout out to Azan from the north of Spain. Boca Juniors, Connor, your thoughts on Octo Gaming? OKT, please. How do you spell that? Octo Gaming. So it's not listed on CoinGecko. I've never heard of it before. I can't give you my thoughts on it. Sorry about that, Boca Juniors. Shout out to Spacetime Jim. What's up, man? I made 5x with Caspa on the breakout. Love it. Spacetime Jim in the building. 5x on Caspa. Was that just a hold position that you're up 5x right now, or did you take a trade on, say, BingX and you 5x your margin? Anyways, hey, you made money, man. Congratulations. So some more altcoins. Stacks, STX, another position I'm currently in. My entry, 63 cents to 59 cents. Right now we're at 64 cents, so slightly above the entry. Was able to get filled down here, really close to 59 cents, so I'm happy about that. But just look at this daily chart and tell me what you think. Like, looks pretty good. You got the pump above the daily 200 EMA. Pump, pull back. Looking for this to hold and just charge up to our next targets here at around $1. STX, if it comes back down lower, this looks like a great trade. I'm feeling pretty good about this position. I like the way the chart looks. Bitcoin could absolutely destroy this chart in a moment, right? If Bitcoin goes down to 32K, I'll probably get stopped out of this, but I'm risking 5% here to capture 88%. It's worth the risk reward to me. Stacks, STX, another one of my active trades right now. If you guys were wondering what I'm trading, what I'm looking at, this is it. We got a lot of questions about injective protocol INJ. INJ's price action is absolutely insane. This is like the strongest mid cap in the market other than Caspa, but INJ is just absolutely nuts. It's up 2x from the breakout over here. Again, October 20th, Friday, October 20th, everything broke out. INJ at that time was $8. It's now $16. That's a 2x in price, and it's going right now. So in terms of a trade on INJ, it's the entry's gone, right? If you enter now, it's extremely dangerous. Yeah, this price action is absolutely wild. Entry's gone. Don't even try to chase it. Let it go. But we have to go to the weekly chart now, and we can see that it's getting up here. It's getting up there. Market cap right now is $1.3 billion, so about the same as Caspa. I would much rather hold Caspa than injective protocol personally. Anyways, yeah, the all-time high is $25, and it's getting very close. I still have log scale on. I gotta get out. Sorry about it. I was on log scale for my Caspa video. Yeah, the entry is gone on INJ, guys. Like, Focus on other stuff if you're not in this. If you're in it, enjoy the pump, enjoy the ride, because it is just going. But let's say it does pull back. I mean, you got to be looking around here, 1450 down to 1380. Right, you got to be looking here. If this turns into a wick and it comes down, right, it must hold here, or it's going to start correcting like really hard. But yeah, this thing is really bullish right now. It's looking super strong. Bitcoin Cash. So I've been watching Bitcoin Cash for quite a while now. This is another one that I think is due for a big move. The real Bitcoin Cash. So on the daily here, we can just draw a diagonal. And if we just draw this diagonal like so, it's a pretty obvious downtrend line to break. And this is getting really, really tight. So either it just kind of keeps on chopping here and then, you know, it stops everybody out by doing one of these, going back down to 225 and then coming right back up to 240. Right, just obvious kind of price manipulation by market makers to stop everybody out. Either it does that or it just breaks this downtrend line and starts going to 300. But again, this is another one on the daily time frame. This is starting to squeeze really hard. It's getting really, really tight. So a big move is coming on Bitcoin Cash. That's something I can guarantee. In what direction? I do have a bullish bias. I think it's going to go up. And, you know, realistically, I think it's going to get back up here, 380 to 400 on the next impulse leg. So this is a huge move. If you can catch this as a trade, you know, you're talking 50% plus on the table here on Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, this chart is getting extremely tight. It's holding well over here, 235, 236. Yeah, I mean, I would set alerts, right? Set alerts over here, 243. Really, it needs to flip 250. Once it flips 250, then it will go. Below 250, we don't know. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash is gearing up for a huge move right now. The real Bitcoin. BNB, said we would talk about BNB. So on the daily time frame, BNB is under regulatory fire, right? It's just getting mortared and bombed and just under fire, BNB. But CZ and the cartel, they held strong. They didn't let price go underneath $200, as you can see, right? Through they held strong, and through all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, through all the regulatory pressure, through all the people saying that Binance was going to go down like FTX, CZ was like, no, we're not going underneath $200 on the BNB token, pumped out of it. And now it's trying to flip the daily 200 EMA. So I put out this trade in the Crypto Empire free Telegram group here. If you guys are not in the free Telegram group, you can join using the link down in the description below to get inside the free Telegram. But, you know, right now, a dip would be better for an entry, but I'm just looking for this breakout, basically. And if we just look to the left as well, right? This is all kind of supply, this previous consolidation area. Once it kind of breaks through this and gets above the daily 200 EMA, it's going to be officially in an uptrend. Obviously, there's already been a huge, strong impulse move off of the bottom, but the flip of the daily 200 EMA is going to confirm. Moving averages are always lagging indicators. So we can kind of front run that flip by looking to get an entry now and looking to ride this one back up. Again, similar to Bitcoin Cash, these things are at like the same exact price right now at $240. And I'm looking for BNB to get back up to around 330 to 340 here, which is a 38% move. So BNB, another one I'm watching right now. Strong move off of the bottom. CZ defended it well, and it's looking to go higher. So my last open position right now I want to cover. We already talked about Arbitrum. We talked about STX. We talked about Ethereum. I did get stopped on this render trade. But yeah, XRP right now. Let's talk about XRP. So I've been reading XRP really well and catching all the moves, taking profits at the perfect times. First entry at the end of October at 54 cents, right up to 62 cents. Limit order sold, bam, money in the bank. Second entry today, 62 cents. You know, we're at 64.5 cents right now, up around 3.6%. So XRP, the entry's gone. Don't chase this one. If you want my entries on time, get in my Discord group. But yeah, if we do come back down to 62, this whole period of consolidation, you want to see this level hold. You don't want to see it lose 59 cents or it's going to come back down. Again, but we're bullish right now, so we're expecting these supports to hold. You guys have to be able to adapt to the current market conditions. When we're in strong bullish conditions, the pullbacks are shallow, but the pullbacks can come really, really swift and strong. Let me give you an example. But anyways, yeah, XRP, looking to ride this one up to 69 cents. This is just an active trade. I don't hold XRP in my portfolio. I never will. But I like to trade the coin when it goes up because it just kind of goes straight up when it does pump. But on render, I'll give you an example of a pullback. And I like making videos because everything is documented. Yeah, I can't hide. If I say something wrong, I get called out on it. If I say something right, people don't care. It's funny how it works. But anyways, render. 3 days ago, I made this video. And I said, literally, set your alerts for 219. I literally put the alert on the chart at $2.19. And lo and behold, render in 1 day, or in like 3 days, got to that level. And that was the bounce, right? Price came to 213. It's up to 237 now. But when we have these strong bullish conditions and we mark a level like 219 when the price is up here at 250, we say, okay, when it comes down to 219, I'm going to buy it. But it comes down so strong and so fast that we're like, oh my God, it got to 219 so quickly. I don't know if I want to buy it anymore. Like, we talk ourselves out of the plan we've already set for ourselves. But when we have these strong bullish market conditions, we got to be able to just kind of go and not be afraid to be a little bit more aggressive. Even if price comes super quick down to the level we were waiting for, stick to the plan and long the level or buy at that level. Because as you can see, this produced a really solid bounce. You know, this produced a bounce of 8.3%. Literally, this could have been a set and forget trade. All you had to do is set your order at 219. Like I literally told you, put the alert in this video 3 days ago. I said, put an alert at 219, and I put it on the chart live in the video. You know, you would have been up 8% right now. If you took that as a trade, that's not bad at all. So stick to the plan when we have these bullish market conditions. Price will come back down very quickly and very swiftly to the levels you have marked, and it's going to scare you out thinking that it's going to go lower. But then stuff like this happens and it bounces. So that's just one example of how you have to be more aggressive when we have these really bullish market conditions as a trader, right? I do both. I have, you know, a crypto portfolio that I don't touch. I put that together, and I feel really, really good about that portfolio. I think it's going to it's already crushing, right? I tweet about my coins. I make videos about my coins. They're like all going up. But I think it's going to absolutely crush over the next 2 years. And then obviously I trade as well. So I do both. And yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this. I forgot what I was trying to say. But anyways, let's go ahead and carry on with our live stream. Sniff, man. Can't talk about that. We got Satoshi Flacco. What's up, brother? Loving the energy in the stream in the market. You still in your XRP trade? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just talked about the XRP trade, Satoshi Flacco. Blue Camille, what do I think about Kadena KDA? Don't like it. I like Caspa a lot better. What is your top 4 holds other than Bitcoin? Krish asking me about my top 4 holds. That's an interesting question, Krish. I posted this tweet on October 29th. This is my portfolio. I showed you guys my top 2. I got Tau, BitTensor Tau, and I got Caspa as my top 2. You guys want to know my other holds? You can see them right away. They're posted in my Discord. Out of respect to my my Discord subscribers, I'm not gonna tell you all the coins here. Right? That's like a value add that you get in my Discord. You get to see exactly what I'm holding. But yeah, Tau and Casper are my top 2. I can tell you that. Morpheus Network. So I actually, if you search on my channel, we'll look right now. I'm no stranger to Morpheus Network, guys. If you look at this video 2 years ago, talking about Morpheus Network. And at the time, the token was the MRPH token. Now it's the MNW token. So a lot has happened. So I know about the supply chain. I know about Morpheus Network. I know about the partnerships. I'm familiar. I know about it. I've known about it for 2+ years now, like almost 3 years. Do I hold the coin? No. Do I think it has potential at a $53 million market cap? Yes. I think there's better assets to hold personally. Just my take. But hey, I could be completely wrong, and this could be the next 1000x crypto gem. I don't think it'll do bad if you hold it. I think it will perform well, and you'll probably catch a few X's. But I just don't personally, I don't like it enough to invest my hard-earned money into it. Connor, can you talk about Grok? Grok. What the heck is Grok? No idea what Grok is. Mike Hilly. A lot of questions. Thoughts about Seedify? Yeah, so Seedify is good. You guys are looking for, like a VC, a venture capitalist group VC launchpad. Seedify is a good one. I know Alex Becker was like a big promoter of Seedify during the last bull market craze in November 2021. Seedify is good. It's a good project, good launchpad. I can't knock it. I only have good things to say about it. And I think the projects that go through it, a lot of them will do really well. Right, so if you're looking for like a good VC gaming launchpad, Seedify is definitely something to look into if you're looking for something like that. What's going on, Bradley? I'll answer your questions later on. Getting Telegram messages. Let's see what's going on here. Would you short INJ right now? No, absolutely not. You don't short strength. You don't short an uptrend. The trend is your friend until the end. Right? Could this be a top? Yeah. But I would not counter trend trade this at all. I would not be looking for shorts, right? I've shared with you every open position I have right now. Ethereum, XRP, Stacks, Arbitrum. All of them are in a profit right now. Arbitrum getting back up there. I'm long. I'm long on 4 coins right now. If I'm wrong, I'm going to lose a lot of money because I'm leveraged up on 4 coins. So I'm not going to say, yeah, you should go short INJ right now, but it is a little bit of a funky move. And now the RSI is breaking. Clean RSI breakout here. Like this is strength that you should not fade. Don't try and fade the strength. So Sui, I've been talking a lot about Sui. We're going to get to the 100x coins right after I talk about Sui. Yeah, I mean, Sui also another convincing one right now on the weekly time frame. Right, I mean, this is a huge weekly breakout, retest of the trend line, trying to get above 50 cents. When Sui does clear 50 cents, it will go to 75 cents quickly, very quickly. Okay. So watch for pullbacks around 47, like 46, and try and get yourself a ride on this train higher because this one's going to go much higher. Now, the best coins for the bull run. Let's talk about AQTIS right now. I know a lot of people are looking into this one in terms of an AI liquidity aggregator play. Let's take a look at this chart. Currently an $18.9 million market cap. A lot of people started buying this coin within the past 2-3 weeks. The volume started picking up a lot on this thing. As you can see, it was released in April at 0.006 cents, 0.0006 cents. It's at 0.009 right now. So it's moving. You know, it's up 900, it's up 10x since April. It basically went from a $1.8 million market cap to an 18 mil market cap in around 4 or 5 months or so. So yeah, interested in this one. I haven't bought it yet, but this one could be a huge multiplier. As you see, smart liquidity protocol powered by quant tech and AI, making life easier by building a sustainable and powerful real yield ecosystem. No shill here, just doing my own research, and I thought I would talk about it. But yeah. So in terms of low cap games right now, GFAL, games for a living, the new kid on the block. This one's been on absolute fire. Direct competitor to something like Nakamoto Games, and right now they're getting to very similar market caps. By the way, when Caspa gets to Litecoin's market cap, it's going to be a 3x. But if we go to GFAL, games for a living, we compare it to Naka, it's only a 30% difference now, right? Because this thing just pumped like crazy. Let's get a projection tool up. I mean, not much to say other than, you know, if you got in this one low, shout out to you. I know a lot of you guys probably did. You know, the people that watch my channel are informed for the most part, and they're paying attention to the market and catching these moves. Anyways, games for a living, another gaming project that essentially just has a really, really strong team of proven video game designers, right? Proven people in the industry. Direct competitor with Nakamoto Games, and I expect both of them to do really well in this coming bull market. Naka is my gaming coin. I'll give you a hint. It's one of the coins in this one of the coins in this pie graph here, Nakamoto Games. And that shouldn't be a surprise. I talk about it quite a bit in my videos nowadays as well, you know, for good reason. Because after you kind of do your own research and see what Naka is and what they're building, I mean, yeah, it's kind of a no-brainer gaming token to be holding for the coming gaming bull run. And then GFAL as well, right up there. Zyberswap. So yeah, I got somebody in my Telegram group. I'm not sure what your name is, but he was asking me if Zyberswap is a good coin to hold for the bull run. Can I find it on? So Zyberswap, we'll go down memory lane here. Zyberswap is a project I first covered on my channel in February of this year, 2023. Essentially, long story short, they had a fair launch, and I was basically the only person to talk about it when it launched. This one here, Zyberswap, is launching on Arbitrum. This was right when Arbitrum was getting popular, right before the airdrop. And Zyberswap launched at like 20 cents, and it went to $20. Okay, so huge gain for the community early on in the year. Now, is it good to hold? So this one already kind of provided massive gains for myself and anybody that paid attention to my video. You know, literally given here right on YouTube before anybody else. Another reason you should be subscribed to the channel. That was a clean 100x. I bought most of mine at like 75 cents, so I got like a clean 30x on Zyberswap. But if we look at this chart now, this is what I was talking about, right? Made the video over here in late January, early February. Price goes from, it was at like 20 cents. It peaked out at $22. Okay, we caught this pump here at Crypto Empire. Now it's just been bleeding out all year long. Is this coin good to hold? I don't love it personally. They are active, they are building. It's a decentralized exchange on Arbitrum. The problem is the competition is so steep on Arbitrum. And I think Zyberswap would not have died as bad as it did if Arbitrum wasn't such a like centralized chain, in the sense that, you know, the Camelot Grail token, that's backed by the Arbitrum Foundation, right? They got grants. I spoke with the team of Zyberswap, right? And basically they said that Arbitrum gave them zero support. You know, they basically only wanted Camelot to succeed and be the main DEX in the Grail token. So that's why Zyberswap didn't do that great. I wouldn't buy it now personally. It could absolutely come back, but my focus is elsewhere. And like I said, my capital, this is hard-earned capital here. I want to put it to the best use possible and make me as much money as possible. So I'm just going to have to pass on Zyberswap. Moving on, talking about 100x coins for 2024, 2025. In my opinion, this is a must-have, an absolute must-have. 50 billion to $100 billion market cap is 100% on the table for A-Tor. 100% on the table, 50 bill to 100 bill. Current market cap, 103 million. So I'm saying this is a 50x to 100x, even from the current market cap, even from the current price, because this thing is up huge. You know, it was at 12 cents in April when it released. It's at $1.50 now. That's a huge gain, over a 10x. But I don't think you're too late. Let's check out Bitcoin right now. What's happening? Are we bouncing or what? Yeah, we're bouncing a little bit. Let's go BTC breakout here. I want to see this pump. Anyways, Tor protocol. It's like a must hold. Privacy, the Tor network. Do your research on it and you will understand very quickly. But yeah, if we're talking like multipliers and gem tokens that are legitimate gems, Tor needs to be on your list. And look, hint, it's on my portfolio too. Right, I just made this image to troll you guys, but look, I'll give you some info right here. Whether you join my Discord or not, I don't care. You should join it. You will get the value you pay for your money, and you will like the Discord. I can guarantee you will like it. Actually, I can't make everybody happy. I'm not going to say that, but anyways, I don't care if you join or not. Watch my live streams and support my channel. That's really all I want from you. Anything else is just icing on the cake. Just tell your friends to subscribe to Crypto Empire too, and tell them to like all my videos as well to boost the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. Jasper, how to join the Discord. Go to the free Telegram group, Jasper. And this message that was put out at 5:12 p.m. says join here, whoop.com/cryptoempire. You click on that link. It will take you to my Whoop page. You can join the Discord directly through here. I just made the Whoop page. I got rid of upgrade chat. I moved over my back end to Whoop now. Can you show your actual portfolio? Guys, stop asking me these troll questions. Let's see. McNaz says he swapped ALU for GFAL. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm glad you're paying attention, McNaz. Can you link your Discord, the free section? Copy link. There you go. What do I think about Superverse? Mikey Hill, I see you asked me that question earlier. It got lost. Super Hill. Wait, no, not Super Hill. Superverse. I've never heard of this one, actually. $40 million market cap. On Coinbase, I like that. How new is it? Okay, it's been around since 2021. Look, I gotta do some proper research to tell you if I like it or not and what I think about it. One token to govern them all. I mean, look, it's for sure a Ponzi. Right, all these DAOs are Ponzi's. I don't know. But Ponzi's pump. Ponzi's pump in a bull run. Don't forget about Olympus DAO, guys. Don't forget about the OHM token. You guys want a reminder of what happens in a bull market. Ponzi's pump the hardest, ladies and gentlemen. Olympus DAO. Price-wise. You know, this thing went from the multiples. You were rebasing on this, so you were getting like so many tokens from staking and providing liquidity, and the tokens went from a few $100s to over 1,000. People are just getting the tokens and dumping them on the market. You know, Ponzi's pump, but they always end up like this, flatlined at the bottom. It was the old Super farm. Super is Elio's coin. Used to be. Oh, that's Elio's new coin, huh? Interesting. He migrated. All you Neo Tokyo citizens. Well, look, Elio. That's so funny. Second thing that pops up. It's too funny. So Elio has 574K subscribers. He's active too, right? So he needs to deliver. He needs to deliver. So, you know, if you guys like him and you like his project, then I think it could do well. But the thing is, I'm not invested into it. I'm not invested into anything in his ecosystem. I'm living my own life. I'm doing my own thing. But yeah, Elio, look, he's one of the biggest YouTubers in the space. And you know, if you make a project and you have this much publicity and eyes on you, you better follow through. You're going to have an angry mob with pitchforks on your front door. So I think he'll probably pull through for you guys if you're holding the Superverse token. Yeah, Ator did release at 3 cents, but it's not too late. Where are we supposed to get an airdrop of ZyberSwap? So I think a lot of people got confused. I basically made a video saying that the Arbitrum airdrop got distributed, and I also talked about ZyberSwap in that video. I think people got confused that there was going to be a Zyber swap airdrop. It was the Arbitrum airdrop. If you're talking about that video I made back in like April or whatever, I was talking about the Arbitrum airdrop. So you should ask the team as well, because I don't have anything to do with Zyber swap. I'm my own individual, nothing to do with them. So ask the team directly. We had a lot of questions in our live chat today. What do I think about Arbitrum projects, GMX count a lot? Yeah, Arbitrum ecosystems could start picking up. Blue Camille, if Bitcoin dips to 20K, are you going to sell your hold portfolio and rebuy it? Please tell me that's not a serious question, Blue Camille. Please tell me that's not a serious question. Could Bitcoin go to 20K? It's possible. It's possible Bitcoin could go to 20K. The odds, I would say, would go back down to 20K. It's like 5% maybe. It comes back down to 20. But it could. Will it ever revisit 16? No, this is the stone bottom. And again, just for anybody new here to Crypto Empire, I can go find my messages and stuff in my videos, but when Bitcoin was over here at around 17 to 18K, I flipped full bull basically. I flipped full bull. So I've been a bull all year long. Don't get me wrong, this price action, it got me down at moments in time, right? I wasn't thinking clearly. I wasn't fully myself when the Bitcoin price action was just stagnant and dying and the market was completely dead. And the only thing to do was trade meme coins on chain, right? Those times were rough, but we made it through. We saw the light at the end of the tunnel. But yeah, no, if Bitcoin goes to 20K, look, I bought the coins that I bought because I have conviction in those coins. So if they go lower, what am I going to do personally? I'm going to buy more of the coins because I know where they're going to be in the future, right? And that's just kind of investing, right? When you invest into something, it's because you believe it's going to have a higher value in the future. And it will be volatile. It will go up and down. But if you still hold that conviction that it will have value in the future and that people are going to be willing to pay, this is very important. Most don't think about this. You need somebody that's willing to buy your assets for crazy high inflated prices in the future. So whenever you buy something, you need to ask yourself, is there going to be a buyer for this asset at the price that I want to sell it at in the future? Right? All the liquid garbage. Look at NFTs, for example, right? People learn super quick that with NFTs, you need an actual buyer to liquidate it, to get your liquidity back. A lot of people buying these stupid NFT pictures, not thinking about the future. Is there going to be a buyer for this asset? And with the coins that I hold and where I see them going, I think there's going to be buyers willing to pay the price that I want to sell it at in the future. So if it goes lower, I understand that it's going to be a greater return to that price, so I'm going to buy more. To answer your question, Blue Camille. So people asking me about meme coins for the next cycle. Yeah, I mean, look, Pepe's certainly something to keep an eye on. Could go to 10 billion easy. And I want to ask Michael DJI, are you in the live chat right now watching me silently? We have a community member, Michael DJI Manor. He always shows up in the live chat. He always comments on my videos. But this guy is like, he's so on the money. He mentions like he bought all the coins in my video today, like the top 3 coins to 100x your portfolio. He bought them at the stone cold bottom, and he's been in every single one of my live streams every single week saying, Connor, look into this coin, Connor, look into that coin, Connor, look into this coin. Like he literally legitimately catches everything at like the bottom. Here's Grok for somebody asking me about that earlier. But yeah, Michael, are you watching right now, my friend? Because Michael commented today, Pepe, and then he likes Wojak as well for his other meme play. Pepe and Wojak. Bobo is another one. I'm a Smurf Cat bull. I love the Smurf Cat meme. I think Smurf Cat could actually be the next Pepe. Right? Let's just kind of search real Smurf Cat here, so that I can show you guys. This is an already viral meme. You have a video from 2 weeks ago with 8 million views. Granted, he has 4 million subscribers. This channel 1 month ago with 35K subscribers, 5.2 million views. Smurf Cat, 10 hours, we live, we love, we lie song, 3.5 million views. And by the way, guys, the Smurf Cat, your boy caught that at a 6.4 mil market cap. I wrote it up 6x. I took profit. As you can see here, on October 24th, Smurf Cat, 6.4 mil. Target market cap's 20 mil to de-risk, then carry a moon bag. I mean, listen, who gives you this? Who gives you Smurf Cat at 6.4 mil? Obviously, there's guys on crypto Twitter that tweet about every single new meme coin. You can say they gave it to you lower. But this was the first meme coin I talked about in many, many months. And I hit a banger. I hit a banger. Smurf Cat. I like Smurf Cat a lot. Put some ETH into my pocket. Oh, my browser's starting to lag. We're done, huh? We're lagging. We might have to shut it down. Yeah, guys, we're lagging crazy hard right now on my end. I'm not sure what's going on with my internet. If I didn't cut out yet, we've been going for 1 hour and 6 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, guys. Thank you all for being here. I am sorry to end this abruptly. If you can even see and hear me right now, because my system is lagging so hard. But we'll be back for a live. We'll do some live streams throughout the week, and you'll see me with some regular content. But thank you all for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Sorry to end this abruptly, but my system is just lagging extremely hard.